a show dedicated to mental health resources. A mental health clinic in Santa Barbara is seeing a critical shortage in psychiatric services for young people across the region. News Channel reporter Patricia Martellotti shares what the clinic is doing to address this need.
The demand for youth therapy services at sanctuary centers of Santa Barbara is skyrocketing.
Really, this started around COVID. Children were coming in with high degrees of depression, suicidality, and anxiety disorder, obsessive compulsive disorder. They had lost everything.
The U.S. Surgeon General has declared children's mental health a national emergency. In Santa Barbara County, leaders at sanctuary centers are increasing staff in light of the critical shortage of psychiatric services for youth.
And when you think about a child or adolescent who's struggling, a pediatrician who wants to do the right thing for their patient, and they can't get them in to see a psychiatrist for 6 to 12 months, we're starting a pattern of not using early intervention.
Thanks to several grants, including $100,000 from the Women's Fund of Santa Barbara, sanctuary centers hired 2 bilingual therapists.
Generally, in the beginning, really worked only with adults. And so seeing the need, we reached out to our local community, to funders, Women's Fund being one of them, to help us, to allow us to provide the services for our clients that were so much in need. And so we pivoted over to working with children.
Since getting this funding, the agency has seen over 300 referrals of children and youth.
The name got out that Sanctuary Centers was working with children and adolescents. Individuals, especially through Cottage Hospital, started referring some of their more difficult cases to us.
The clinic's efforts to increase its services has led to doubling the number of youths who now receive psychiatric and counseling services there.
My hope that we can do everything in this community in partnership with other agencies. We can't do it all ourselves.
Directors at sanctuary centers hope to continue providing crucial support for young people across the region.
The need is not going to go away anytime soon. This is a generation that has been impacted developmentally.
In Santa Barbara, I'm News Channel reporter Patricia Martellotti.